Okay, November 22nd, 2020. Tyler Hayes here, 10:05. This is part 2. Got another northbound on the way right now, following the A403. This one will be the 341. Givo in front. See what we have as we lean back and get him. Here we go. What does that say? Yeah, definitely a manifest. $29.82. Yep, it's 341. It'll meet 356 led by the 2270. There's another northbound on the way that'll be going into Sheldon. And we'll meet the 2270. DPU coming up on the 341. Tier 4 this time. 3128. What? Are you kidding me? Another MEI rebuild! That was previously GECX 2039! Haha! That is my 7th one already! Wow! Love it! Here's the last of 341! Union Pacific mounted on TTGX 157 729. What a catch! Off it goes to meet the 2271. And we'll lead on the M356. What a way to start off part 2. Another MEI rebuild. It was previously GECX 2039, now repainted and rebuilt as CN 3128. Alright, 1046. The M356 has made the arrival on the northern side of Ladysmith. We will have ES44DC 2270 again that I've seen earlier this year. This time lead for this southbound. So let us check out the 2270 with the M356. Lean back and get him. Here we go. Gate drop confirmed. Snow is falling with the visibility down to less than a half mile. There's a little bit of grappel mixing in. And Canadian Cab -9 2517 is also along for the ride. Another C44-9WL. M356 will meet the next northbound at Sheldon. Here's the last of the M356 Canadian National mode on ETTX 701089.